Welcome to our tutorial on the fully defined sketch command. Let's start by creating a sketch. Right-click, Display Grid. I'm going to activate the Snap to Grid function. Right-click, Relations Snaps Options. Grid, snap only when grid is displayed. Let's leave this checked and click OK. Now I'm going to activate the Line tool and use that to create a sketch. Something like this. Now I'll close it. OK. And let's delete all these relations. Now let's activate the fully defined sketch tool. Under Entities to Define, we've got two options: All Entities or Selected Entities. Right now, we only have vertical and horizontal relations active. The Dimensions control area below is unchecked. Let's accept. As you see, the relations were applied only to selected entities. Let's go ahead and delete all. Now let's activate the fully defined sketch tool again. This time I'll select all the entities in the sketch, deactivate the Relations control area, and let's activate the Dimensions control area. Under Horizontal Dimensions scheme, we've got three options: Chain, Baseline, and Ordinate. Let's select Chain. For the origin, we'll use this line. For the vertical dimension scheme, let's choose Chain also. And for the origin, we'll use this bottom line. Dimension placement, above the sketch, to the left. Now let's click OK. SolidWorks gives me a warning. Fully defined sketch is complete, but the sketch is still underdefined. SolidWorks also offers some solutions. Let's click OK. The reason for this is because we didn't use any relations. We only had dimensions, as you see. Usually after the fully defined sketch tool is applied, you may need to do some minor cleaning like this. OK, let's delete everything. Delete all. OK. Let's say if I want to have a specific dimension placed before I apply the fully defined sketch tool, what I do is place this dimension first. Then I activate the fully defined sketch tool. This time let's use relations as well. Check Select All. For the horizontal dimension scheme, let's use Baseline. And for the vertical dimension scheme as well. Dimension placement above and to the left. OK, I get the same warning message from SolidWorks. Let's click OK. If this happens, just run the fully defined sketch tool again, and that should solve your problem. Let's try it out. OK. Now our sketch is fully defined. Let's delete everything again. Now let's move our sketch, let's say someplace here. We'll activate the fully defined sketch tool again. Uncheck the Relations control area. Under Horizontal Dimension Scheme, select Ordinate. The origin point is pre-selected here. For the Vertical Dimension Scheme, also select Ordinate. Dimension placement above and to the left. Let's click OK. As you see, the dimensions originate from the origin point. This concludes our tutorial on fully defining a sketch.